Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Now we are walking because they're going to use the studio. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is Latina by Reykon. Alright, let's start. Alright, from the beginning. So from this one, close feet first. Alright? So, what's the first step? I know. Alright, for this one, close your feet together. So you're gonna go lean to 1, 2, hips 3 and 4. Turn around on 5, 6. You need to pause here. 6, hips on 7 and 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around. 6, 7, 8. Alright? Next, from here you're gonna go 1 and 2. So you're gonna need to sit to your right. So 1 and 2. Shoulder 3, 4, 5, 6. Down on 7 and 8. Alright, let's combine first and second 8. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, and the 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn around. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Next. 7. Go front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side 5. Lift 6. Then 7. Sit on 8. One more time. 6, 7, and go left. Then right. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. From the top. 5, 6, 7, and then yap. Eat some say lo chat pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 7, 8. Alright, next from here. 7, brush, touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay here. 4, 5. Go up on 6. You can go up any style you like. You can go like so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wow, with the turn. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. So from here, do isolation. Chest 2, 3, 4. You go to your right, you go to your left. Isolation, you go to the right, and you go to your left. 6, 7. So confusing, huh? This girl is so confusing. Kino! 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. You got it? One more time. Everybody go to the right, you go to the left. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now up on 5, 6. You go down on 7 and 8. You got it? One more time. 6, 7, up. You go to the right, you go to the left. That's clear. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? Next, for the last one, you just go up on go 1, 2. Because everybody go on left. Go 1, 2, 3. Lift on 4. Just 5, 6, 7. So close. 8. Alright, that's it. Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then yeah, eat some say lo cha pa. Yeah. Eat some. Say, lock slowly 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hip 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3. Lift 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Alright? We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Korea.